This is Tim from Mo Bang for Your Bucks.
Just us to watch the world go by. Cities pass and faces change. A journey sweet, sometimes strange. Searching souls, new friends to find. Adventures calling to my mind. Happy to be free like the breeze. No more chains, no more pleas. With my dog we're on the run, underneath the golden sun. Mountains high and rivers deep, memories made ours to keep. Stories shared with those we'll meet, every path beneath our feet. Dancing shadows night and day, life's a game that we will play. Hand in paw, we're feeling strong, singing life's unending song.
That's his. Hey, how's it going?
Hot.
It is warm today, 75 degrees right now here in Ironwood. So, Tim, this is your van, and I've seen you do videos on your many rebuilds, and you recently did your newest rebuild. First of all, tell me about your van. What is it and how old?
This is a 2008 Toyota Sienna minivan, which I converted to a camper, of course.
And how many miles does it have?
It have 95,000 when I bought it, and 3 years ago, and right now it have 175,000 miles.
That's a lot of miles, but you go across country.
Yes, about the whole big route one time, and then back and forth about 5 times.
5 times, because you're living in Illinois now, huh?
No, I'm in California.
Oh, back and forth.
I do have a second home base in Illinois.
Yeah, because your family lives there. Okay, so let's take a look at your van. Here's the back end.
Oh, this is where all the serious business happening. Cooking, eating, prepping meals is back here. So, of course, this is my induction cooking. I switched back to induction cooking now, so no more butane, no open flame in the vehicle. And I also use the air fryer to pretty much cook most of my meal now. And then, of course, all these are coffee and miscellaneous stuff. And down here is my water supply. 4 gallon, which the pump here will run it. This is a USB chart pump. That's how I get my water. In case you wonder what this block was, because the hole is not long enough. If I run out of water on that, I just boost it up a little bit higher and then it becomes
Oh, I see, because you got to raise the bottle up.
Yep.
Ah, okay. All right.
And down here is a little bit storage, but pretty out here is my garage where I store all my tools for fixing vehicle and building solar panel and building van if needed to.
And that used to have a seat down there, right? You took it out?
Yeah, I took them out and tossed them away.
So
there's
this
no
is
going back. This is pretty much the last build.
Okay. All right.
Of course, this is a minivan. There's no full-class bathroom in here. So to take care of that, that's number 2, which is a seat. It's actually a seat.
Oh, okay.
That I can use as a seat. I'll do the business number 2. And then more water storage because I'm out here in the desert. So I put 6 gallons extra. And this is for storage, a thermos to store my hot water. So I have hot water day and night.
Okay.
And normally I don't have tools stuff down here because I'm doing stuff. So remember in my garage, that's where all these tools down here go in the garage.
Did you help people out with their builds?
They already know, so I don't have to dig it out.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
In order to get it out, I have to take the water out and the power supply out. So
Yeah, so that's hard to do. Yeah.
that's the left side.
Okay.
That's the bed right here.
Yeah, here's your bed.
Well, this
This
one have a headboard.
Oh, yeah.
But when I drive, it rattles, so I just lower it down so that way it doesn't rattle at all.
And that helps so that your pillows and blankets don't come off, right?
Also,
But your head is at this end.
normally, if I don't carry so much stuff, I will have seat in here too. So that's why I have to forward down. If you see the little notch here,
Okay.
so it will fit over the little leg of the seat.
So, does your bed fold up then if
Yes,
you put a
it does.
seat there? Okay, that makes sense.
Let's see if I can just see how it go up.
Yes.
You can see the angle right here. See it sit.
Okay.
I can swing it all the way up, but I have to put all the mattress and everything back there in order to fold up into a little seat.
Right. Right.
There's no need for that.
So that would be another passenger seat. Can you put one in on the other side also?
No, I don't carry passenger.
Oh, okay.
Normally, I would put 2 middle row seat in here if I don't have so much stuff in here. But right now, I don't need. There's no need for carrying passenger.
Right.
Okay, we're on the left side.
On the driver's side.
The entrance to the whole rig. You can see there's not much room in here, but this is more than plenty for me to take care of everything in here. And of course, that's the bed.
Yeah.
Over there's my nightstand. I'm pretty much sit right here and do everything in here. And then over here is my fridge where I store my cold food, frozen food. And over here, under this is my dry food.
Oh, okay.
So
And then your fridge is powered by solar?
by 100 amp battery down here, which is kind of hidden under this over here. This whole mess over here. Oh, of course, all my clothing is pretty much in the front here.
Over there.
So under here is the battery.
Oh, I see. Okay. So how big is your bed?
This is 26-inch wide and 4-inch thick.
And long?
Long, I'm 5'8", so I build it about 70-inch. So I have, you can see there's a little gap here. If I take this up,
Right.
I have about 2 inch extra.
Right. Okay. Good.
But yeah, I have to cut it down to fit me.
Okay.
So of course you already see in the back.
Yeah.
But over here is my most proud design. Over
What is
here.
that? Show me.
This, when I'm driving, is storage for my battery and other stuff. But if I'm stationary and I want to make breakfast or make coffee in the morning, I just remove this, just a few things, and then it will fold down into a bigger table. Oh, right now the pup's in the way. There you go. That's why I designed it.
Oh, wow. That's great.
So I can always, if I'm not driving at all, I just leave it open like that. 'Cause
Right.
It doesn't bother me.
Anything
with
there.
my bed.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's the best design I have, because when you want more space, just fold it over.
Very nice. Very cool. Good workmanship.
You can see my power. I just have to show you. This is my bathroom. Right
Your
here.
bathroom for your
Sponge
toiletries.
bath and cleaning.
Yeah. Okay.
With vinegar, clean the dishes.
Yeah.
But the power station is back here. Because I
Oh.
have 2 of them, one for the front and one for the back.
And what kind of power station?
This is an all power 2000.
Uh-huh.
It actually have only like 1200 watt hour, but it will handle up to 2000 watt surge at 4000 watt.
And the other one is what is the other one?
This one is 1280 watt hour, but right now I only configured to run the fridge, so I
run
don't
the
have
fridge.
no inverter, nothing. So
Just for that.
only 12 volt.
Great. Okay.
Up here I have 100 watt panel. Each of them will supply power to 2 different power stations, but one of them will for that one down there,
Right.
then another one behind me for cooking.
So one is for your
for the
fridge,
fridge and one for
and
cooking.
one is for cooking. Thank you so much, Tim, for letting me view your van. How long have you been on the road or part-time on the road?
I retired back 2019, so I've been on the road in minivan ever since.
Ever since then. Well, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. And stay crafty.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Thanks, Tim, for letting me view your van. Check out Tim's channel, Mo Bang for Your Bucks. He has lots of good information about van details. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe when interviewing Tim from Mo Bang for Your Bucks.